Welcome to the top best. The best road flares is probably one of the most essential safety items any driver can have in their vehicle, especially when unexpected breakdowns or emergencies strike on the roadside. These aren't your old school, fire hazard flares. Modern battery-powered versions offer a safer, more reliable, and reusable alternative, ensuring you can alert oncoming traffic and protect yourself and your passengers from potential danger, even in adverse weather conditions. We'll dive into what makes a great road flare and help you choose the perfect set for your peace of mind. Number 5. Ecoangel Rechargeable LED Road Flares. Introducing the Ecoangel LED Road Flares, a vital safety kit for your car, truck, boat, or motorcycle. Keep yourself and your loved ones safe during any roadside emergency. With 9 distinct flashing modes, these lights provide crucial SOS signals for road and marine emergencies. They're also perfect for camping, hiking, or marking hazardous areas. Forget about constantly replacing batteries. This rechargeable beacon features a long-lasting internal battery and comes with a USB cable for convenient charging at home or in your car. It can even stand by for over a year. Designed for durability, these flares are waterproof, crushproof, and can withstand heavy vehicle weight. The powerful magnetic base allows for easy attachment to your vehicle, and the folding hook offers hands-free operation. We guarantee a safer road trip with our emergency lights. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated support team will respond and resolve your problem within 12 hours. What we like. This one offers a great variety of flashing modes for any situation. It's rechargeable, so you won't be caught without power. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable option that you can easily charge at home or in your car, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. These things are bright. You would have to be blind not to see this from quite a distance. These are so much better and safer than the open flame traditional road flares. And, these last far longer than the traditional road flare. Being magnetic and with a built-in plastic hook hanger in the back, there are options for getting them up higher, such as on your roof or on the back of your RV or trailer, for example. The lights are bright, durable, and easy to recharge, and the magnetic base sticks solidly to the car, even in rough conditions. The different flashing modes are a great touch, giving you options for visibility whether you're on a highway shoulder or a dim campsite. They're also incredibly versatile, perfect not just for roadside emergencies but also for camping, night hikes, or marking a trailhead, truly a multipurpose essential for anyone who spends time on the road. They are rechargeable, many of the cheaper versions are not, and those eat batteries. The packs can be set to solid color and various patterns, including the Morse code for SOS. There is also a white LED flashlight type option, and it is only mildly annoying that it flashes on as you cycle through and get your square in the face. It's bright though, and if you do need the white light like a flashlight, it's handy. The rubberized outer portion most helps hold them in place and protects the surface. They are placed on semicolon magnet on the back means they can be stuck many places, the hook means you can hang them in more others. All around a highly useful, highly versatile, highly recommended product. Number 4. Marcala 3-pack emergency lights for vehicles. Introducing Marcala's emergency flares, designed to keep you safe on the road. These are DOT compliant, ensuring you meet all necessary safety standards. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Our emergency kit is ideal for new drivers, providing them with essential safety tools for their vehicle. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: safety discs with batteries, a carry bag, a multi-tool, bonus batteries, a seatbelt cutter, and a whistle. Tired of replacing batteries? Ours come with long-lasting power and are built to withstand the elements. They are crush-proof, waterproof, and won't scratch your vehicle. Our LED flares are incredibly bright, with 15 LEDs and 9 flashing modes. They can be seen from over a mile away at night, ensuring maximum visibility. Ditch the dangerous burning flares. These LED road flares are safe, reusable, and easy to use, eliminating the risk of fires or burns. As an American-owned company, we stand by our product quality and performance. Buy with confidence knowing you're getting a top-quality safety solution. What we like. This kit is DOT compliant, ensuring it meets safety standards. It comes with everything you need, including batteries and a case, making it a complete package. If you're a new driver or want a comprehensive safety kit that's ready to go right out of the box, this is the one for you. What people say. Very bright, good selection of alternating patterns to use. They only weigh 6 ounces each with batteries. These LED lights are not designed for daily deployment and abuse that your professions see on a regular basis. We need to encourage people to adopt basic and easy-to-use tools to have in their vehicle while they wait for help to arrive. Number 3. Twinkle Star LED Emergency Flares, set of 4. Introducing the Twinkle Star LED Emergency Flares, a set of 4 essential safety devices for your vehicle. Be prepared for any roadside situation with these high-visibility warning lights. These flares feature super bright red LEDs, ensuring they are visible from a mile away, day or night. Enhance your safety and alert other drivers effectively. Choose from 3 distinct lighting modes to suit your needs: a powerful strobe for emergencies, a flashlight for illumination, or a solid light for continuous signaling. Adapt to any situation with ease. Powered by 12 AAA batteries, these flares are ready to go when you need them. Remember to replace the batteries periodically to ensure optimal performance. Each set comes with a durable, portable storage case designed to save space in your car. Keep your flares organized and protected when not in use. These flares are perfect for traffic control, emergency signaling, rescue beacons, and any other critical situation. They are a must-have for every vehicle's emergency kit. What we like. You get 4 flares in this set, which is great for wider coverage. It comes with batteries included, so you can use them immediately. If you prefer a tidy and organized storage solution for your emergency gear, the solid case makes this a convenient option. What people say. These road flares are incredibly bright, making them highly visible even in broad daylight. The magnetic base securely attaches to any metal surface, ensuring the flare stays in place. With multiple flashing modes, including a steady red light, they offer versatile signaling options. Number 2. Markstor 6-pack LED Road Flare Emergency Kit. Introducing the Markstor LED Road Flare Emergency Kit, your reliable companion for unexpected roadside situations. This kit ensures you're prepared for any emergency. Crafted with high-strength transparent engineering plastic and TPE thermoplastic, these flares are built to withstand the elements. They are waterproof, dust-proof, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring durability. Whether you're stuck in a ditch, dealing with a flat tire, or need to signal for help during a boating emergency, these flares provide a quick and effective way to alert others. These high-tech flares are incredibly durable, featuring a shatterproof lens that can even withstand being run over by a truck. Unlike traditional flares, they are safer and more reliable as they don't require lighting. Looking for a thoughtful gift for outdoor enthusiasts? This kit is ideal for campers, boaters, hunters, bikers, and hikers. It's a practical and essential item for anyone who spends time on the road or in nature. With 9 distinct flashing modes, these lights offer maximum visibility in any situation. Easily switch between modes to signal for help or caution other drivers effectively. What we like. This option is built to last with a corrosion-resistant and shockproof design. You get a pack of 6, offering excellent value and coverage. If durability and having multiple flares for various situations are your top priorities, this robust set is a smart pick. What people say. Each one has a solid plastic and rubber finish. Easy to turn on and off. Simple to find the light pattern that you need. The hook and the magnet are a great addition for multiple uses. Very bright, attention-grabbing to warn other drivers to proceed with caution. Strong magnet on the back is very nice to attach it to the car. Great light setting and brightness when operated with fresh batteries. The device seems to be made to resist some mild-moderate level of dust, rain, or getting splashed on, not into the water submersion though. The body have the right rubber bumpers and coating as to not scratch your vehicle when used gently, along with a hanging hook fold-out. Number 1. Emergency LED Road Flare Kit, 3-pack. Illuminate your surroundings with brilliant 360-degree light. These beacons offer an impressive 20 hours of steady light or 60 hours in flash mode, ensuring long-lasting visibility. Designed to be small and lightweight, they are the perfect addition to any emergency kit. Easily store them in your car, RV, boat, or take them on your next outdoor adventure. With a powerful magnetic base and crush resistance up to 6,000 pounds, these are built to last. They are also water resistant, providing a safer alternative to traditional flares. Choose between two essential modes, flashing or steady red light. Each beacon operates on 3 AAA batteries, giving you flexibility in how you use them. This set includes 3 LED flares, each with its own convenient storage bag. Keep them organized and ready for any situation. What we like. These beacons boast an impressive run time, especially in flash mode. They are small and lightweight, making them easy to store and deploy. If you need reliable lights that will last for extended periods and are looking for a compact set, this pack of 3 is ideal. What people say. These units are about 4.5 inches across and plenty sturdy in my opinion. They are easy to open. They are weather resistant, with a small rubber gasket on the body of the unit where the lid contacts, which should be quite effective in keeping water out of the unit. There are 2 operating modes, one that keeps the light on continuously, and one that provides rapid flashing. The units come with a storage case that also has 2 internal Velcro-secured compartments to hold the 9 required batteries. They are extremely bright, and can undoubtedly be seen quite a distance down the road. Looking at the unit from the top provides the brightest illumination due to the design of the lens and the lid, however they are also plenty bright situated horizontally on the ground. The light has a flash or steady on option. The light is really bright and the magnet keeps this in place really well even on rough roads with potholes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.